So I have a really cute and simple rock for you guys to give a try to today. I was talking before about doing all the way through the alphabet with letters. This is a cute little kindness rock. So we're going to start by drawing almost like a canoe shape here onto our rock with a darker green. Like so. Go ahead and fill that shape in all the way around. Okay, I'm actually gonna make this a smidge bigger. We've got some extra space down below here. All right, and now I am going to create a line going along the back side of it. Just not gonna fill it in quite yet, like that. Okay, so we got our little pod. Next, we're gonna take a lighter green and we're gonna go start in the center. Now I'm gonna do a circle, but I want some of it to be inside of the shape here. So we're gonna start about halfway up the side to create our first circle here. So kind of up and around like that. So it looks like it's kind of inside a little bit. We'll make another one right next to it, pretty close to the edge over there. And over here, like that. Now I don't want these completely light, so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna kind of wiggle a little bit of this green, and then we're gonna fill them in with the light green. I just don't want them super duper light. We'll clean up our edges in a little bit, but that will kind of darken your shape just a little. And then I'm going to do a little line along the bottom here with the darker green, because the part that's along the bottom would naturally be just a smidge darker, kind of up the sides maybe a little. There we go. Doodle off those tips to the side. I've got a piece of paper, sorry it's not in your view, but just doodle till you're back to your normal color. All right, we are gonna fill in the backdrop in here with the darker green, but we're not gonna do that quite yet. Actually we are, let me go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna fill in anywhere where there's no P, and we're gonna darken that in the end with a little bit of black as well, but we want that to dry. I have my little one here. You wanna add your little curl going off the edge. Get this a nice little point up here. All right, so we kind of got our P's on here. I am going to line this now. I've also got a little bit of water off to the side and a really small brush. We're going to use that to darken a couple little areas here in a bit. So I'm going to speed this part up. I'll let you watch, but I'm just going to line so you break apart your shapes a little bit here. Yeah, and that's about it. Over here on the curls, I'm not going to outline the entire curl. I'll just add a little accent that shows a piece on top. So this is the top part. This would come under, right? So just add a couple little lines to that. Okay, now once you've got those on there, those lines on there, while your black is still a little bit wet, we're gonna take a damp brush, I mean very, very little bit of water. I barely put the bristles in the water. I'll even kind of go like this to take a little bit extra off. And we're gonna wiggle this dark line, and if we can get any of that paint moving, that will be enough. If it's dried, which it looks like mine did, you can come back here and add just a couple little dots of black. You don't need very much, but we're just gonna create this little bit of a shadow here of where those P's are sitting, kind of down and in. See that little bit of shadow there? Just kind of darkens that area just a little bit. There we go. All right. Now we're gonna make these guys cute. So I like really wide set eyes on here. We're gonna do 2 eyes on each, obviously, really wide set. Mama one in here. All right, give them a little smile. Okay, let that black dry for just a second before we come back in with our white highlight. While that's drying, we can add our little saying on here. So I want the word P to be right in the center. So I'm gonna write P-E-A in the center, and then H-A-P. So it's happiness. So N-E-S-S, and then we're gonna write spread. Happiness. How cute. Happiness. All right, so go back and add our cute little highlights. Our peas. And you can even go back with pink. Some people like to put pink in the cheeks of things like this as well. But super cute and easy rock. Spread happiness around. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did. We'll be back with another quick tutorial for you soon here on Rock Painting 101. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.